Hello, I'm Yarely Pérez Nolasco and welcome back to my channel Save the World. This time I'm going to talk about one of the animals that are in danger of extinction, but I won't do it alone. I decided to do a collaboration with some friends. They are as interested as I am talking about this subject, since it's something devastating to see how defenseless animals are disappearing because of the human being. The animal we will talk about is the white rhino. The rhino is a species of perissodactyl mammal in the Rhinocerontidae family. It is the largest of the 5 rhino species that exist. It can reach 4.2 meters in length, 1.85 meters in height, and up to 4.5 tons in larger specimens.
Hello, my name is Marissa Fernanda García Jiménez, and I'm going to talk about the characteristics of the white rhino. The white and straight leaf is due to the fact that this animal feeds preferably on grasses that it collects from the ground, while the black rhinoceros does not on shrubby vegetation. Thanks to this, the two species of African rhinoceros, otherwise very similar in habits, can coexist in the same ecosystem. Mating does not occur at a specific time, and females give birth to a single young every 4 or 5 years where the previous one has matured. The horn of rhinos is not a true horn like that of cows or that of bulls, since it does not grow from the skull, nor a tusk like that of hippos, elephants, or wild birds where it does not grow from the mouth. It is rather a harness in the nose area and is made of keratin, the same material that makes up our nails and hair. Thus, if the horns breaks in a fight, it can regenerate, even growing 7 centimeters a year.
The white rhino have been killed for the ivory of their horns, or even by belief about their supposed healing powers. In the 90s, both the white and black rhinos were on the edge of extinction. At the time, the International Union for Conservation of Nature classified the first one as near-threatened and the second one as critically endangered. The western black rhino was declared extinct years ago as a result of poaching. The last 2 northern white rhino left in the world, Fatu and Nahin, are female and live in Old Peheta Conservancy in Kenya. The last male, Sudan, died last year, raising fears that the subspecies in the verge of extinction, especially since the 2 females were unable to carry pregnancy to term. Nowadays, 2 embryos were created with ovules extracted from Fatu and Nahim by scientists and frozen sperm for dead males. 2 embryos were viable and now are stored in liquid nitrogen, hoping to be transferred to surrogate mother in the near future.
Do you know where white rhinos live? I'm Pamela, and I'm going to tell you about their habitat. The few remaining specimens of the white rhino are found in Africa, specifically in Zambia and Kenya. They inhabit the savannas of Africa, although the territory is small compared to that of other species. The black and white rhinos that are still in the wild live in southern and eastern Africa, in the tropical grasslands known as savannas. The savannas cover approximately half of the continent's surface, with warm climates that receive a large number of rainfalls throughout the year. The landscape of these areas is dominated by tall grasses, generally with perennial grasses, although you can also find small shrubs or trees of the river, always in a small group of less than 10 meters in size. These rhinos share this habitat with other savanna animals such as giraffes, zebras, lions, etc. Although they have very similar habits, these 2 species coexist in the African savanna thanks to their diet. In the case of the black rhino, its main food source is shrub vegetation, while white rhinos feed on grasses close to the ground due to the anatomical characteristics of their white and straight leaves.